All the Basecamp concept, which you can see the badge here, started with the Atlas. In this case, the package is the fender flares, door moldings, front bumper and rear skid plate. In the front, we make a more rugged look with this big front bumper cover. In this case is the skid plate. It's very durable and very flexible. In this case, we have the door moldings. What's interesting about these parts is that we sent some samples to Volkswagen before of the release, and they did some aggressive testing on the Arizona proving grounds. So they installed the parts and they run for miles and miles.